That battery, no good. Yep. Try now. Prime it again and try. Yeah. Yeah. Got no injection. It's like it's got no injection.
They probably fucking blocked from all that fuel they were trying to pump through.
Lift the rail. We'll see. You shut the patrol off. Oh, we might need that RP7. Look, they are tight.
It's the magic stuff. Gotta be fuel.
Yeah. But if the harmonic balancer, the crank angle sensor's gone, then it will stop injection pulse. So that might be the next job.
Pull the fucking radiator out now.
These rads are easy, but
Yeah.
for the gram, bro, really. It's for YouTube at this point.
Good car for it. Good price.
Yeah.
Really wasn't that easy, right?
Never is. Oh, hopefully it's they're trying to get fuel through and it's just they're blocked and we just clean them.
Well, it works now, it's all up to up here.
But right here, probably crank angle sensor age of it.
Looking like it.
Yeah, I think so. Remember, we'll see now.
Probably be easier if it is, I know.
Alright, they look dry as. Go turn it over.
Oh, they look dry as. You're not wrong there. Right.
Yeah. keep going. Yeah, right. No injection, bro. Hang on. Let's go crank it now. Know what that wire could be, but worth a shot. Yep. Nah. Alright. That's okay. We know why it's not starting. I'm pretty sure that's can only really be because these don't have. Look here.
What?
Does that look like a new one to you?
That's another one, whether he's already replaced it or not.
This one does look new. Go try it now.
Gotta be that, that's what it says online as well.
Yeah.
Done the pump and the filter. Can you crank it again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Alright, wait. You reckon if I plug it into this one without it being on, will that work? What brushes, man? I'm gonna try it, hang on. Yeah. Alright, try that. Yeah. Let's try it for a sec. Yep. Alright. Try now. Alright. It's back on the motor one. Yeah, so it's either that. Or the motor.
The red light's gone anyway. So.
This one here, but.
Fucking hell. Fucking shit out of me. The fuck's this red wire for?
Try this key. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. I can hear something clicking. There it is. BCM, bro.
There you go, yeah. That's what the problem is.
Yeah. Alright, so yeah, well, this is obviously not pairing with the rest of it here.
You need a fucking locksmith out here.
To diagnose it, but first, I think these had a BCM.
So.
Nothing. Might be this key. That one looks better. phone a friend time. Well, that's the end of, what are we now, day 2 working on it, day 3 including loading and coming home. We kept trying, tried a few other things, but yeah, essentially come down to the conclusion that the BCM is cooked. So we're going to get a BCM and a key, and then we will go from there, see if we get injection. Alright, see you next one.